Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use lower thirds in OBS. Lower thirds are graphic overlays that display information like names or social media handles. To begin, add a new browser source or media source to your OBS scene. If using a plugin, you'll typically point to an HTML file. For pre-rendered videos, select your MP4 file. Ensure you set the correct width, often 1920 pixels, and height, then carefully position it on your screen. Now, let's make your lower thirds visually appealing. You can customize fonts, sizes, and colors to align with your personal brand or stream theme. Many tools allow you to upload your own logos. Just ensure they are in the correct format, like a PNG with transparency. Explore animation settings for smooth transitions, such as a slide-in or fade-out effect. Adding subtle elements like a drop shadow can also enhance readability and overall presentation. Managing lower thirds during a live broadcast is crucial. Many plugins offer a dockable control panel within OBS, allowing you to change text, logos, and even switch between different lower third presets instantly. Assigning hotkeys is a game changer. You can trigger a lower third with a single key press. You can often set global times for how long a lower third appears, perhaps for 5 or 10 seconds, ensuring a professional and seamless viewer experience. To maximize impact, keep your lower third text brief and to the point, allowing viewers to read it quickly. Always prioritize readability by ensuring strong contrast between your text and its background. Strategically place your lower thirds so they don't obscure important visual elements on your screen. Finally, always perform a thorough test of all your lower thirds, including their animations and transitions, before you begin recording or streaming to ensure everything works perfectly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.